Delimiter. What does delimiter means? What does delimiter mean in Excel spreadsheet? Here is two examples. Suppose in any Excel spreadsheet, somebody's name is written as Raj, comma, then Sharma, title. So name, comma, then title. So how to segregate it with the help of spreadsheet. So this will be Raj, and in the next column will come Sharma. Likewise, if it is Shamir Jain, then Samir, then in the next column it will come Jain. So it will be easy to segregate the name. Suppose in a firm there are employees whose name as per the database it is like this, in this format, then we need to segregate in a separate column. And how to do it? Okay, let's see how we can do it with the help of Excel. Suppose give a name here. Suppose Raju, and Sen. Suppose this is the data entry field, Raju, Sen. So now how to segregate into two columns? So for this you need to select this particular cell and then go to data tab. Go to data tab here, click here and come to here, text to columns. Click here. You can see the delimiter option here. So by default it is selected here, delimited. So characters such as commas or tabs separate each field. So preview of the selected data. So this is the format where let's see. Yeah, so this is the format, Raju, comma, Sen. Okay, click here next. This is next. This is step 2 of 3. Then here tab. We want also what we want to delimit. What are the options for the delimiters? Suppose a tab, commas. If comma is there, you can see this change will come. So if you want comma, then comma will come. Otherwise, we don't want it. We want in separate column. Then you need to check this. And suppose space. You can see here. This space is not there, so if you can see now space is there. So it depends, you can select your space. Okay, now click here next. Okay, now the destination. So destination cell you have to define. So click here and select this cell and press enter. Okay, now finish. Okay, now you can see this has come, Raju, Sen. So separate column, name and surname is now segregated. So this is the function of delimiter in Excel format, in Excel spreadsheet.